So today we got a good start. We have made chicken, green chili, and bean soup today.
Also known as green chicken, because
yes.
I can never get it right.
Yes, she's a green chicken person. So yesterday we prepped all our veggies, our green onions, our green chilies, our cilantro, everything we needed, so we were ready to roll today. So what we have in here, first layer, 1 pound of chicken.
I measured it. I weighed it.
A half a cup, measured. White beans.
Morgan measured that too with a half a cup, not a bean over.
The beans. Almost cooked too many again, but I caught the recipe. So after the beans, we have salsa verde, cilantro, garlic, my home dehydrated sliced garlic, green onions, hot green chilies to round it out. Now we're gonna pressure can these for 90 minutes.
God, they look beautiful.
They do. They look better than our last 2 batches.
Yeah, because we were measuring. Morgan was handcuffed. Okay, we're gonna pressure cook how long?
90 minutes. They look awesome.
Ooh, boy. Is that it?
That's it.
Next is just Dagney's already wiped the rims of the vinegar. So we're just gonna cap them, throw them in a cold canner, a room temperature canner, because this is room temperature. Yep. Actually, it's cold.
I'm old.
And then we will bring up all the temperatures and blah, blah, blah. So there you go. We'll see when it's done, maybe.
Okay, we are ready to cover it up, turn up the heat, and we'll get started. Line up my arrows. Hello. Okay. Twist, and we're on. Lids on. Gauge forward. Check the petcock. We're all good to go.
In Colorado, it's so dry, you can't see the steam. But if you hold this, you can see it there. And I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up. But you can see it steaming like crazy. Right? That's what we have to rely on. You cannot even get a cup of coffee to steam. Not unless it's a cold, cold, wintry, snowy morning. Otherwise, our air is so dry here. That's it.
Anyhow, my timer just went off. It's been venting for 10 minutes. Time to put my giggle on. Now, I will set my timer one more time because timers remind me to check it in 10 minutes to see where my pressure is at, so I can start adjusting my stove temperature so I'm right where I want to be to maintain my pressure.